Hello there. Welcome to XRPresenter. I will be your host today.
Recently, I had to create a lecture series on AR and VR for an exclusive client. Multiple hours of animated videos needed to be narrated. So I decided to create my digital twin. I took my LinkedIn profile image and used a deep learning technique called facial GANs. It was trained to turn typed text directly into talking videos, like this one. Real-time facial tracking was also used to drive my DeepFake self. Facial expressions, emotional displays, and eye movements directly animated my photo to create idle motions and reactions. So how does it work? Deepfake presenters are based on text-to-video conversion. The training process learns to map text input to generated speech and facial movements. Just type the narration, and the animated talking video is automatically created. Actually, you can develop your own presenter in just a few hours. Just like having a custom car. But a digital one. Your slides make an impact, so they deserve to drive a Tesla.
It can speak softly as a woman.
Or talk like a man.
Tudok magyarul is
Ich spreche
beszélni.
Deutsch.
Je parle français quand tu
Y
veux.
claro que
Vagy
hablo
előadást
español
tartani.
también.
XRPresenter is a full-featured, interactive virtual reality solution for 3D business presentations, academic lectures, and product or corporate videos. It supports augmented and virtual reality live presentations, as well as it can render professional videos. It may also be used as a virtual webcam for your meetings with 360 video backgrounds, 3D animated elements, spatial audio, and special effects. Further features include multi-camera input, AI-based segmentation, pose and gesture tracking for control, as well as voice commands. In addition to your main presentation slides, you may have multiple additional demonstration videos readily available at your fingertip. So, if you want something more sophisticated than PowerPoint, come on down to the beach. You may check out the entire lecture series using the link below.